Hi everybody, good morning. So today we're making homemade donuts.
2-ingredient donuts.
Yes.
Woo!
Cameron's seen this video on YouTube, so he really loves him some donuts. So now we are making donuts. So what you'll need is flour, baking soda or baking powder, whichever recipe you decide to go with. Powdered sugar, yogurt, and then obviously some vegetable oil to fry it. And then I happen to have this pretty large, they're probably gonna end up looking like churros. I don't have just a big circular piping tool. I only have, this is the biggest one I have, and it's like in a star shape. So we're gonna use that. And I don't have piping bags, so we're gonna use this Ziploc bag. So what I'm gonna do is just cut a little triangle out of here to push my tip through to get that started. So there you go. Tip in the bag. Hopefully that stays together. And then Cameron said,
So the 2 ingredients are just self-rising flour and yogurt. But if you don't have those, there's alternatives you can use.
yeah, we don't have self-rising flour, so that's why we're doing it old school and using regular flour. Okay, so 1 cup regular flour, or no, 1.5 teaspoons of
Yeah, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder.
oh, powder. Oh yeah, that's the one I got. And do you have to mix this first? I was gonna get like a coconut-based yogurt, but I don't know if that would mess it up or not.
Oh, that's okay. It says for the plain yogurt, 6.5 ounces plus half a tablespoon.
What the heck is 6.5 ounces?
I guess we're gonna have to use our
The
scale.
What the heck? It's a weird measurement for baking ounces and then an actual like half a teaspoon. Weird. Look, yogurt. You never seen that before.
So there's
Woo!
8 ounces in 1 cup.
Well, that still doesn't help me.
Yeah, so maybe 3/4 of a cup.
How many ounces it wants? 6?
0.5. There are 6 ounces in 3/4 cup. Yeah, so maybe just do that like.
Okay,
3/4
6.5. Woo!
Perfect. Woo! Expert!
Okay, and then what was the other measurement? It was like
1/2
6.5 plus something.
a tablespoon.
A tablespoon.
That's weird. Why don't they just be like 7 ounces then?
Okay, she said in the video it's supposed to be very sticky, which it currently is now. So I guess I'm just gonna put this in the piping bag, and I think the oil is supposed to get to 325, I believe is what the video said. So I'm gonna start heating up the oil and then we'll be back. Okay, and it says to take a small dollop and then cut it. It's gonna sink to the bottom.
It's already says sweet potato on my
You
thing.
can't have donuts yet. When you have more teeth. Oh yeah. Pretty close to a real donut.
Oh, really good.
Which one do you like better, the glaze or the cinnamon?
It was cinnamon. It was like a churro kind of.
Mm-hmm. The cinnamon is good.
But they're both really good.
Yay, win! Now we get to eat donuts.
Really
Yay!
easy to make.
Yeah, pretty easy. The only most difficult part I think would be squeezing it out of the bag.
Mm.
Yes.
So thick.
Yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's a tripod, don't mind me. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you next time. Bye!